ukulanda uThatho Sibiya azomsebenzisa khona kubonile lokuthi thina singakuboni akekho umuntu ebeyacabanga ukuthi uThatho angayicala le match khona abadlali abafana nabo Basading lapha ebenchini so ngiyacabanga ukuthi uThethi izinqumo ezi right uBoy he did very well today ngiyacabanga ube ne game emnandi Shane igame yakhe ibeyinhle kakhulu yabona uthola ne man of the match bheka ama 1v1 awawinayo kuma duels ubheke na the way mhlawumbe uThatho asebenza ngakhona kulela side ucreateile no creator uya recovery yakhe so uyabona ukuthi I development iyanceda kakhulu Shane wenza sometimes ukuthi kube nzima ukuthi uMatthews adlale why because mawungambheka uyalisebenzisa lela side and umake sure ukuthi always oranela kulesa space uMatthews ise ila imfoster khona lento ukuthi angene phakathi and uMatthews akekho good mangena phakathi akekho good it's either mangabe mhlawumbe team idlale high line ufuna ukubreaka mhlawumbe ngale run kube ma 1v1 but ukuthi uzongena la afuna ukuzodlala ibhola ngibona kubanzima for Matthews ugood mangaba afuna ukuthi asebenzise lela winger so today it was difficult for him because uThatho bekadlala kahle kakhulu kulela side
also an assist
you understand so ngiyacabanga ukuthi we must give credit kule technical team Shane